What are some common substitutes for oyster sauce?
Hello there, cooking enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of flavor substitutions. We all know that sometimes, while preparing a dish, we find ourselves missing a specific ingredient. In this case, we're going to focus on oyster sauce, a staple in many Asian cuisines. So, what can you do if you run out of it, or if you're catering to a vegan diet, or have shellfish allergies? Let's find out.
What is oyster sauce?
Before we delve into the substitutes, let's quickly talk about what oyster sauce is. Oyster sauce is a rich, savory sauce made from oysters, salt, sugar, and soy sauce. It's thick, dark in color, and it adds a unique depth of flavor to dishes.
What can I use instead of oyster sauce?
Now, let's move on to the substitutes. Remember, these substitutes may not taste exactly like oyster sauce, but they will provide a similar depth and complexity of flavor to your dishes. Soy sauce is a very common substitute for oyster sauce. It has the salty and umami elements that are similar to oyster sauce. But be mindful of the quantity because soy sauce is thinner and saltier. Hoisin sauce, another option is hoisin sauce. It's a little sweeter than oyster sauce, but it's similarly thick and rich. You might want to adjust the sugar level in your recipe if you're using this. Mushroom sauce or mushroom soy sauce. For a vegan alternative, you could consider using a mushroom sauce or mushroom soy sauce. They are made from mushrooms, providing a rich umami flavor similar to oyster sauce. Fish sauce. If you are not allergic to seafood, you could also use fish sauce. It's very salty and has a strong flavor, so use it sparingly. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect substitute for oyster sauce in your recipes. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and making the most of what you have on hand. So don't be afraid to try these alternatives and adjust according to your taste. Happy cooking!